If you can't make good thumbnails, don't worry, guys. In this video, I'll teach you how to create top-notch 3D quality thumbnails using Pixlab. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First, you need to open Pixlab. Then, set your thumbnail size to 1080 by 1920. Next, download the image related to the topic you want to create the thumbnail for using the printer app. Import this image into Pixlab. Add some text related to your video topic. Edit it a bit as I'm showing you here. If you have any problems with this video, you can message me personally on Instagram using the link below. I've also created a Telegram group, which you can join using the link in the description. Guys, if you haven't watched all these videos yet, go and watch them. Also, I have a WhatsApp channel. For those who haven't followed me on my WhatsApp channel yet, go and do it. If you want to know which app I use for video editing, comment below.